As a loan officer, my job is to help applicants get qualified for a home purchase. My name is Owens, and I am a loan officer at Veterans United. I work with an amazing team to ensure that the entire process from application to closing is as seamless as possible. My dad served in the Marine Corps for over 10 years. As young children, my siblings and I felt the impact of his service, and I fully understand the sacrifices made by military families every day. One of my favorite things about Veterans United is the culture of giving. We have a Veterans United Foundation that is fully funded by employees, and over the years we have collectively given over $50 million to help enhance the lives of veterans and their families nationwide. There's a special place in my heart for veterans and their families, and it is truly an honor and privilege to be part of the process of helping them to buy a place to come home to. I just love being part of the journey.